Hi guys, my name's Caitlin. I'm a holistic nutrition consultant and the author of a blog called grassfedgirl.com. I'm so glad you're here with me today. We're going to be making Starbucks egg bites copycat recipe. It's going to be so fun, and this is a carnivore diet friendly recipe. So if you're on the keto diet or carnivore diet, this video is for you. Make sure and watch all the way to the end because we're going to have two versions. We're going to have the oven version and we're also going to have the Instant Pot version. So you can make either one depending on what kind of equipment you have. Make sure you have 4 pieces of bacon. You want to have 6 eggs, 1 1/4 cup shredded cheese, and you want 1 1/3 cup of cottage cheese and some sea salt. And then you might want to have an immersion blender, or you can use your regular blender. Also, I have my bowl and I have some greased muffin pans. Preheat the oven to 300. So first things first, you want to tear the bacon and just put a little bit in each of the tins. So that's going to be kind of the top layer. Okay, so now I'm going to put in my 6 eggs. Okay, so now I've got my cheese here and I'm just going to put my cheese in. Okay, so now I'm going to put in the cottage cheese. Now a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Now I have all my ingredients in the bowl and I'm just going to use the immersion blender, or you can use your regular blender and mix them all together until they're smooth. Now it's all mixed up and I'm going to pour it over here. Another thing you're going to want to do is heat up a kettle with boiling water because you're going to have to make a steam bath in your oven. Place the cookie sheet on the lowest rack of the oven, and then you're just going to fill it with water to create a steam bath for your eggs. Put the muffin pan over the steam bath and then cook for 25 to 30 minutes on 300. Okay, this ended up making 9 muffins for me. So 9 muffins. Okay, so I'm so excited. These just came out of the oven. They're done. So let's see how they come out. I'm gonna loosen it up really quick. Okay, I just went around the edge and then I'm gonna put it out. Ooh, looks good. Okay, so now for the taste test, I'm gonna try the one from the oven. It's amazing. Very much like the Starbucks. So now we're gonna do exactly the same thing, except we're gonna use the Instant Pot. Now you can see I have the cottage cheese and the eggs, and this time I'm gonna use shredded cheese, shredded cheddar cheese, because I don't have any more Gruyere. My shredded cheese. And I'm going to use this mold because this is the one I have that's most like it, and I don't feel like buying another one. Okay, now you're going to mix it all up. Now you want to line your mold with the bacon again. Now I'm going to pour it in. I'm gonna do the Instant Pot. We're gonna get our Instant Pot ready now. So put some water in the bottom. I'm just using the steamed water that was already there, but you can put unsteamed water, it doesn't matter. And then you're gonna make sure you have your trivet in there. Okay, so now I have my egg mixture inside with the molds and everything. So I'm gonna put on the lid. Just put it on 2 minutes. And make sure everything's locked up, and then just let it release on its own. So it's all locked up there. Make sure this is on non-venting. Okay, I just took the lid off and they're pretty puffy. I'm going to transfer them over to a plate. Oops, there we go. Came out pretty good. Okay, now I'm gonna try the one from the Instant Pot. This is the other one where I ran out of bacon. This is like identical to the Starbucks. The texture is amazing. So, Thanks so much for watching today. I hope you've loved learning about making egg bites 2 different ways. It has been really fun. Make sure to get my Carnivore Diet ebook. It will help you heal your gut, lose weight, have shiny hair and skin. If you have any questions, just drop them down below. Now tell me, which one are you gonna make? The oven or the Instant Pot? Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe, share with a friend, leave a comment. I really appreciate it. See you next time. Bye-bye.